Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best pickleball marker kit is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any serious pickleball player looking to elevate their game and ensure fair play on the court, offering a simple yet effective way to define boundaries, mark serves, or even strategize during intense matches with unparalleled precision and ease of use. Number 5. A11N Sports All-Weather Pickleball Net System. Introducing the A11N Sports Pickleball Net, designed for play in any weather. Its steady metal frame and strong PE net ensure durability and consistent performance. This net system meets official pickleball guidelines, measuring 22 feet wide and varying heights at the sidelines and center. Perfect for both tournaments and casual games. Setting up is a breeze. Each part is labeled, and no tools are required for assembly. You'll be ready to play in no time. Take the game anywhere. The entire net packs into a robust carrying bag and weighs only 20 pounds, allowing you to play anytime and anywhere. Built to last, it features a sturdy interlocking metal frame and a solid PE knotless net. The dual PVC fabric offers superior durability compared to other brands. Designed with a bright yellow frame and black net, it's highly visible on the court. This makes it easier to track during play, especially on white courts. What we like. This net is built to last, designed for all weather conditions with a steady metal frame and strong PE net. If you are looking for a durable and reliable option that can withstand the elements and be set up quickly without tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Solidly built, but easy to assemble. Each piece is numbered, so it's clear where pieces go. Each piece has a depressible pin that inserts into its mating piece. The center net support is very sturdy, better than most nets I have played with. The support is a metal tube and base that is added after the base is assembled. No plastic yardstick. The net system is very sturdy and generally easy to assemble. Measures perfect at 36 inches post and 34 inches center. Number 4. Swiftnet 2.1 Portable Pickleball Net System. Introducing the Swiftnet 2.1, a durable and lightweight pickleball net system. It's designed for both competitive and recreational play, indoors or outdoors. Crafted with a carbon fiber frame, it offers exceptional durability and is incredibly lightweight. This makes it easy to transport and set up wherever you go. This net meets regulation size standards, ensuring a professional playing experience. Enjoy official game conditions whether you're practicing or competing. Setting up and taking down is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. Spend less time on assembly and more time enjoying your game. Engineered for maximum stability, it features a robust base and tensioning system. You can count on a firm and level net for a consistent game. When not in use, it folds down compactly for convenient storage. It even comes with a carrying case, making transport effortless. What we like. Experience unparalleled portability with its carbon fiber construction, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. If you need a net that's both durable and easy to carry around for games on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pickleball court markers are very durable and stay in place even with strong winds. Easy to set up and adjust for different court sizes, which is great for versatility. The bright colors make the court lines highly visible, improving gameplay. Number 3. Court Lines Marker Kit. Introducing the Court Lines Marker Kit, your versatile solution for setting up courts of all sizes. It's perfect for creating mini or full tennis courts with ease. These markers are designed for maximum visibility with their bright color. This feature enhances visual acuity, making them ideal for mapping out training drills or playing areas. Use them for a wide range of sports and training exercises to define boundary lines and drills. They are especially great for training juniors and beginners. From tennis and pickleball to soccer and basketball, these markers are suitable for numerous sports. They are also excellent for physical education classes and various games. Lay them flat on any surface, whether it's a gym floor or an outdoor playground. You can quickly establish temporary boundaries or court lines wherever you need them. Get creative with these markers. Set up target areas, create arrows for ball placement, and design unique training setups for yourself or others. What we like. This kit offers a variety of marker shapes, including strips, corners, and spots, for flexible court creation. If you need a highly visible and adaptable solution for setting up temporary courts or training drills for multiple sports, this is perfect for you. What people say. The markers are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. The bright colors make the court lines highly visible, even in direct sunlight. The kit includes a variety of shapes and sizes, allowing for customization of court layouts. Number 2. Court Line Marker Set. Unleash your creativity and design your perfect playing space. This set allows you to easily map out courts for various sports and training exercises. With 16 strip lines and 8 corner pieces, setting up boundaries is a breeze. They lay flat on any surface, indoors or outdoors, for temporary court lines. The bright colors ensure excellent visibility, making them ideal for training drills and defining playing areas. Improve visual acuity during practice. This equipment is perfect for training juniors and beginners in sports like tennis, pickleball, badminton, and many more. It's great for physical education too. Use your imagination to set up target areas, create arrows for ball placement, and develop skills. The included backpack makes storage simple. What we like. With a generous number of strip lines and corners, this set provides ample pieces to create full or mini courts. If you're looking for a comprehensive set of bright, easily visible markers for various sports and training needs, this option offers great value. What people say. The markers are bright and easy to see on the court. They are durable and have held up well to repeated use. The kit comes with a good variety of colors, making it easy to distinguish between different courts or games. Number 1. Hikeen Court Lines Marker Kit. This kit provides everything you need to set up your court. It includes 28 durable markers in various shapes to define your playing area. Crafted from high-quality PVC crystal silicone, these markers are waterproof and wear-resistant. They are designed to stay in place, even in windy conditions, ensuring uninterrupted play. Easily create boundaries for a variety of sports. Whether it's pickleball, badminton, or basketball, these markers help you quickly set up your ideal playing space. Featuring a bright combination of yellow and orange, these markers ensure excellent visibility. This helps improve game efficiency and enhances safety on the court. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If you experience any issues, we will repair or replace it free of charge, giving you peace of mind. What we like. These markers are designed with anti-slip and wind-resistant features, made from high-quality PVC silicone to stay in place. If you need reliable court markers that won't shift during play, especially outdoors, and come with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind, consider this set. What people say. They don't blow in the wind and are durable and sticky enough to handle being stepped on. Yet, they're thin enough that you're not going to trip or hurt yourself when you inevitably step on them while running. It's a great way to make an instant court at home in the driveway or in the street. Worked out nicely to set out the approximate lines for our pickleball court. We left them in place and they lasted mostly the whole summer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.